Hi students, I am Dr. Badrinath. I am making this video from Surat. S-U-R-A-T. Surat. The topic is fibrinolytics. Fibrino is a fiber. Fiber means nothing but a thread. By seeing the picture, you can easily imagine the fiber means fabric means cloth. Fiber means thread. Lytic means cuts. Cuts. Fibrinolytics. These are the drugs which used to cut the threads. All right. Fibrinolytic. It make the thread into pieces, small pieces. It takes that. That's a wonderful drugs. These are the very important and very essential drugs in case of various emergencies, heart emergency, brain emergency. These drugs are act like a Sanjeevani medications. All right. We will see now what are these fibrinolytics, what are the different types and all that now we are going to be see. Fibrinolytics acts like a scissor. Keep in your mind. Acts like a scissor. How the scissor will cut the thread in the same fashion. Yeah, come to this Surat. S-U-R-A-T. Only 5 drugs are there. Fibrinolytics. Only 5. Streptokinase. Urokinase. See, both are kinase. 2 kinases came. First 2 are the kinases. Streptokinase, urokinase. Very easy to remember. Retiplase, rat place. Surat, rat place. Altiplase, alternative place. Tenacti place, tenants. Tenants means who are staying in the home. Owner is different. Tenant is different. Tenant means who are staying in the house. Tenancy, right? Okay. So 3 places are there: rat place, altiplace, tenacti place. See the spelling correctly, not that place. Place, place. Okay. See, S-U-R-A-T. 2 places are there. Sorry, 2 kinases are there. 3 places are there. Only 5 are there. That's it. Only 5. These are the powerful, very powerful. Fibrinolytic acts like a scissor. Now we will see 2 kinases. You can usually remember streptokinase, ratiplase. Surat is once upon a time suffered with a plague. Plague is a disease which comes from the rat. So Surat is a rat place. So that's why it is a plague. That's why here you can see rat place. It is once upon a time. Now Surat is number 1 very clean and neat city now. You just go on Google the Swachh Bharat, you can find the Surat. Surat is, so now it become an alternative place, alternative to the plague. Okay, like that you can remember. It completely eliminated the plague disease by the IAS officer who is from Andhra Pradesh. He went to Surat and he made it everything clean and green in once upon a time. Now it is an alternative place. So what happened? All the tenancy place, all the human beings came from there and taking the rent, taking their house for the rent. Keep in your mind. So tenancy place, alternative place, ratty place, streptokinase, urokinase. Now you see the definition. Used to lyse, used to cut the thrombus, clot, to recanalize the occluded blood vessels, mainly coronary artery. Coronary artery is not coronavirus. Coronary, both are sounds same, but it is a different. Coronary arteries are the related to the heart, and it is a very narrowest vessels. It supplies the blood from heart to heart. From address is heart to address is heart. That is the thing. Mainly coronary artery. It work by how it work? It work by activating the fibrinolytic system. There in our body naturally there was one fibrinolytic system is there. Cutting system is there. Cuts the fiber. That fibrinolytic system will be activated by the Surat. Keep in your mind. Fibrinolytic system activated by the Surat. I will tell you what is a fibrinolytic system in this video. Right? Now we will see what is thrombi, what is clot, what is recanalization. that occluded in a blood vessel. We will see all these things. We will see now. Why this important means the same thing I have told now. Blood vessels. See in the blood vessels. See here the blood vessel. In this blood vessel, here there was a clot, thrombi or clot. All these clot, thrombi were tied up by the thread. See here, thread-like structure, fiber, this thread. See here, once you cut this thread by using a fibrinolytic, the remaining blood, all the RBCs which are accumulated, which got clot, will be dissolved. Again, you will get a free flow. You will get. See here how it is structured up. The remaining, see here, structured up, and your blood vessel become a swelled. Here, see here, how the blood vessel, the smooth blood vessel will become a swelling. So it is stopped here. Entire blood came and here it stops. So here there is no blood supply here. So what happened? The entire tissue here, it dies. See, there is no blood supply to the parts, whatever is there remaining. That's why, see here, brain also consists of very small blood vessels. Either it is a veins or thrombus, whatever it may be. See here the clot. See here the clot. The fiber is there. Once you cut the fiber is the key point here. Once you cut the fiber, the remaining RBCs all will be come out. That you keep in your mind. Okay. So why this is important? This is very, very important. It cuts the fiber, breaks the clot. See, this is a clot, are also called as a thrombus. That's why fibrinolytics are also called as thrombolytic. So it cuts the fiber, all the blood vessels will become, RBCs come out. That's why it is also called. So recanalization of the blood vessel. So in the definition, that only we saw. Used to lyse the thrombi, clot, and to recanalize the occluded blood vessels, mainly coronary artery, brain arteries, are like that. Now you understand what is that, how they acts, that we will see now. Yeah, Surat, you can see here, Surat, all Surat is injection. Surats are injections, all are injections, you keep in your mind. Streptokinase, will come to order. Streptokinase, urokinase, two kinases. Surat, yes, you. See here, urokinase, 5 lakh units. Here, 15 lakh units. IU, this you can easily remember. 15, 5. And Surat, R-A-T, rat. See here, retifast. Retifast is nothing but ratiplase. Here, altiplase. Here, see, tenecteplase. These are very important in competitive examinations and also regular examination. Especially in the competitive exam, they will ask how they will prepare the altiplase, how they prepare the tenecteplase, how they prepare the streptokinase. These questions will be come surely in competitive examinations. Surat, keep in your mind. All are injections. Yeah, this is actually your syllabus of unit 2 and where we are. See here, this is I have already completed all the units of drugs used in therapy of shock, hematinics, coagulants, anticoagulants, fibrinolytic. Here we are, fibrinolytic, the highlighted with the red ink. In the next video, we will see antiplatelet drugs and plasma volume expanders. Okay, this diuretics, antidiuretics, very important topic. So now where we are, fibrinolytics. Mechanism of action. So don't confusion the table. It looks like a big, but it's a very simple to understand. Okay. So first you see where I will show my cursor. There you concentrate. That's it. So we will come with last. See here, this part you can see. Fibrin fragment. Fibrin means thread. That thread is insoluble. That's why even though you are taking various solubilizing agents also, it cannot thread. Only cutting is the thing. Cutting is the way. That's why this fibrin is a thread. We have to lyse, fibrinolytic. See here, fibrin cuts fibrin fragments. Once it becomes a fragment, it is easily soluble. So insoluble, soluble. Fibrin fragments. So how to make this? Plasmin. Fibrinolysin. This is also called fibrinolysin, which cuts the plasmin. This plasmin comes from plasminogen. Generate the plasmin. That's why it's called plasminogen. Gen means generator. Okay. Janak, father. So plasmin father is plasminogen. He is a Janak of the plasmin. So plasminogen. Pro, it is a before, no? That's why it is called a pro, not prepaid, postpaid. This is pro. Pro means before. Okay. So profibrinolysin, plasmin, plasminogen, plasmin. All this green color is a natural system which is there in the body. Green color boxes, 4 are there. All these boxes which occurs naturally in the body. This is called as a fibrinolysis system naturally in our body. Fibrinolytic system of nature. Right? Now you come to the where our drugs, extrinsic and intrinsic. See here, streptococcus. See, concentrate on the extrinsic. Here we saw Surat. Yes, streptokinase, urokinase, RTPA, all these activates the plasminogen. It activates. That's why just like Activa, Honda Activa is there, no? It actives. So in the Activa, just it acts like a plasminogen, converts into a plasmin. Now plasmin is ready. Now plasmin is ready. It cuts the fiber. Plasmin is a scissor. So it's indirectly it's helping to the scissor. Streptokinase, urokinase, all these acts like a hand so that you can. It is a scissor. Plasmin is a scissor. So you are taking your hand, Surat hand, taking scissor, and you are going to be cut. The remaining need not to be remembered. Surat is keep in your mind. Surat is here. Surat activates the plasminogen. That's it. Here you see the blue lines, streptokinase, urokinase. Streptokinase is a protein synthesized, it is a protein, keep in your mind, streptokinase is a protein synthesized by the streptococci. This appeared in number of question paper, all pharmacists, drug inspectors, examinations. What is the use of streptokinase? What is the use of and urokinase? It is a protein. Streptokinase, what it is? It is a protein. From where it is manufactured? Streptococci combines with the proactive plasminogen. So I have already told now it combines with plasminogen. It is a Janak of plasmin. Plasmin is the main thing which cuts the fiber. Urokinase is a human enzyme. That is very, very important. That is a protein synthesized by the organism, whereas here it belongs to human body. Enzyme synthesized by the kidney. That's why it is called a uro. Kidney manufactures the urine. That urine, the name was given. Urokinase is a human enzyme synthesized by the kidney that directly converts the plasminogen into plasmin. Same thing. Same, you can write the same story, you can repeat. First you write schematic presentation, later you show your talent in the examination, right? Streptokinase, yeah, see, come here. This is very important slide, very only few points, that's it, nothing. No matter is running like SSSS and all. Nobody has a patience nowadays to read the running matter, kilometers together. Nobody will read. Only short and sweet, directly it enters injection into your brain. That is only the system nowadays. That's it. No textbook, nothing, no paper, only YouTube. Everything is on the YouTube. Streptokinase obtained from beta hemolytic streptococci. It is an organism. Keep in it is a bacteria. Streptococci hemolytic. It is one of the important. It cuts the blood also. That's why it is a hemolytic streptococci. It eats the blood like anything. It cuts the blood like anything. Very dangerous for human being. Very dangerous for the human being. Keep in your mind. Beta hemolytic streptococci organism, from that strain they will prepare this streptokinase. See how wonderful the human being. It is very dangerous. From that only they made amruta from the visha. See here. And it binds with the circulating plasminogen complex that activates the plasma into plasma. Everything is same. But here keep in your mind, it is antigenic. So you have to take, in certain condition, you have to take some antigen suppressive agents, pyrogenic, some little fever also will come. It having some characters. Antigenic, it acts like antigen, so our body will produce as antibodies also. No problem in that. In certain cases, you may need to be take the immunosuppressants to avoid the development of antibodies. Pyrogenic, little fever will come, no problem. You take paracetamol, the fever will be, elevated fever will be, temperature will be less. Destroyed by the circulating, that is not required, destroyed by circulating anti-streptococcal antibodies. Keep in mind, since it is antigen, our body produces antibodies, both will fight together, and finally winner is antibodies. It causes a hypotension, that is a decreased blood pressure, and arrhythmia also come sometimes, but not sure. This is a pharmacology of streptococcus. Uses acute myocardial infarction. I have told no, myocardial infarction due to coronary artery. Again, coronary artery, narrow blood vessels, clotting, fiber, everything same. Deep vein thrombosis. Inside the veins, deeply, there is a formation of a clot, thrombus. That's why it is indicated, used in the deep vein thrombosis. Pulmonary embolism. That is also disease due to this deep vein thrombosis. Adverse effects are there. Bleeding. If you are taking it regularly and higher dose, what happens? Blood will not clot. So if is there any cut, either internal blood damage or external blood damage, the blood starts flowing, and there is no clotting because you are taking excess of streptokinase. Adverse effects are hypotension and bleeding and contraindication. Trauma, recent trauma, new trauma, surgery. In surgeries and all, they will cut no already. They will cut and make a surgery. In such a case, is clot required generally. Don't take an anticoagulants in such a antiplatelet drugs, thrombolytics, fibrinolytics. We should not be taking because already they made a cut and they thread with sutures and ligatures. You know, no. Urokinase. Enzyme isolated from the human urine. That's why it is called as an urokinase. Now prepared from cultured human kidneys. Artificial kidney cells are cultured in lab. From there, urokinase is preparing nowadays. Okay, that's why the name. From where it is prepared. It is a human enzyme. That is number of times it was appeared in competitive exams. Direct plasminogen activator. We know the same story. And T-half is 10 to 15 minutes only, half-life. So that's why it is injection. All injections are having a lesser half-life. Keep in your mind. Most of the injections, not all, lesser half-life. Immediately it will be eliminated within a 10 to 15 minutes. 50% of urokinase will be eliminated. That's why it is an injection form. Keep in your mind. Non-antigenic. This is one of the important. Since it is prepared from human itself, it is having a non-antigenic character, non-allergenic character. Because it is a part of our body only, kidney or urine. Whereas in that case, streptokinase, it is preparing from bacteria. It is having some antigenic character. Keep in your mind. Indicated in patients whom streptokinase has been earlier episode for an earlier. Hypotension is also very rare. Hypertension. Now, alternative place. This is also appeared in question paper. RTPA. Most of the students are unable to write this, unable to answer this. RTPA. They will give 4 options to you. Either it is prepared synthetically, recombinant technology, or cultivated from human urine. Like that, they will have alternative place. Recombinant RTPA, recombinant tissue plasminogen activator. And you see here. Non-antigenic, not destroyed by the antibodies, selectively activates the same story, rapid acting, more potent. See here, it's a more potent. Alternative place is more potent. Superior in dissolving the old clots. Clots age is more. In such a cases, alta place is ultimate. Ultimate. Keep in your mind. It handles the old clots very nicely. It cuts the smoothly, it cuts and it breaks the blood clot, thrombi. And shorter half-life, it is a 4 to 8 minutes, but nausea, mild hypotension, fever may occur, expensive. Why hypotension came? All this hypotension is common in Surat because it increases the flow of the blood. All this Surat increases the flow of blood, no? So reduces. Up to that, there was a high tension because all the clots are there. Blood pressure will be high because blood cannot flow. Okay. Newer combinant tissue plasminogen activators like RAT place, RTPA, that's more than enough. Tenecti place, genetically engineered tenants. All the tenants who are staying in the house or tenants are having a genes. That's it. genetically engineered. That's it. Yeah, uses where it is using is myocardial infarction, coronary artery or brain problem, deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary embolism, peripheral alternate or atrial occlusion, peripherally atrial occlusion, and ischemic stroke, coronary artery, angina pectoris, everything, brain stroke and heart stroke. Keep in your mind all these are the, all right. Surat stands for plague. See here, fibrinolytics and Surat. The rats also acts like a scissor. It cuts the, with the teeth, it cuts the fiber also. Rat plague vyadi, plague disease, very dangerous. Once upon a time it was there. Rata place. Okay, thank you.